We are in Sioux Falls, South Dakota today, and we are at the Subaru dealership because we had a deer strike that wiped out our headlight and part of our bumper last night, trying to get it fixed. And we are, well, it's a really neat dealership here. So let me, Keiko, show you around. All right, so we're in the service part of things here. So, so that's the service bay. You have charging station, video games, um, coffee, tea, or coffee, snacks while you're waiting, comfy chairs. Some really classic vehicles here. Yeah, check all of these out. So you have all these really neat vehicles here. And then you have this. Say hello, Evelyn.
Hi.
Thanks for watching. This is the new son, Evelyn. Please rate, comment, and absolute comment. And have a great day. And boy, does Evelyn look relaxed here. Bye for now.